No, we're just whatever you want me to do.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Natalie's Kitchen. Today I will be doing crock pot mac and cheese, southern fried chicken, and green beans. So thank you and tune in. Okay everyone, I'm not trying to go all out. I just got simple ingredients. Okay, this is white cheddar and black pepper mac and cheese. Alright. Okay. I'm just going to pour this in here. Okay. And this has already came to a boil. Because, noodles have starch in it, so you don't want the noodles to stick. Alright. Now, again, y'all, this is so simple. Okay. What I do is I use 1 egg per box. Because I don't like that blocky cheese. I like it to just fall apart. So, we're going to use 1 egg. Okay, so we're just going to let you look inside there real good. Okay. We're going to just add some seasonings to this. Want to add some onion powder. Let me pull this up a little bit to get some light. Hold on for a second, everyone. Okay. We're going to use a little onion powder again. We're going to use some salt. Simple ingredients. We're going to use some black pepper. Trust me on this. It's very good. This is called bacon flavor seasoning. It's very good. Just add a little bit more flavor to it. That's all. Okay, so we're going to get a close-up on this so far. Okay, now for our cheeses. And we're just going to use the cheese that come out of the pack. Because it's the same kind of cheese that you use when you're making a roux and all of that. It's the same kind of cheese. So, we're just going to add this cheese in here. And just squeeze as much as you can out as possible. Okay? Take your spoon. I'm going something in there. And stir this up. Don't worry about the cheese melting too fast. It's gonna melt, trust me. Alright. Okay. This is the kind of cheese that I use. If I don't use grated sharp cheddar cheese, if you're in a hurry and you don't got time, check this out. This is the best cheese to use right here. And this right here is extra sharp cheddar cheese. Okay? I don't know about anybody else, but I like my mac and cheese extra sharp. I like my mac and cheese extra cheesy. So, if you're from the South like I am, that's how we do it. Okay, this is another kind of cheese that we're going to use. This is called 4-state cheddar. This is just a blend of different types of cheddar of cheese. Okay, so we're going to put some more in here, but we're going to save some for later for our topping. Okay, we're going to save half of the rest of this bag for our topping. And then we almost forgot the last ingredient. Sour cream. Get you a good amount of it too, because that's going to give it some flavor and tanginess, and it's going to make it creamy. That just sounds so good. The sound of it. Just get all those flavors blended in together. And we're just going to slow cook this, okay? We're just going to slow cook this till the noodles get soft. The cheese has melted and a little bit of the milk has evaporated. So, we're going to let this cook about an hour on low. We're going to slow cook this, okay? Okay, everyone, I'll be back with the results of this crock pot mac and cheese. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in, and I'll see you when we come back.